Hi students, welcome to Roots Academy. Myself Inayatullah, lecturer of mathematics. Student, in our last video we discussed about matrices and in that the concepts based on addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now in today's video we will discuss about the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So again the chapter remains same, it is matrices, but the topic is sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So student, in a matrix, if you have any square matrix, then that matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So based on this concept, we will study problems in today's video. And student, in the definition video, I already explained what is the definition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So in general, the definition of symmetric matrix we will write as if it is equals to its transpose, if the matrix is equals to its transpose, then we can call it as symmetric matrix. We can call it as symmetric matrix. Next, if suppose A equals to minus of its transpose, if A equals to minus of its transpose, then it is skew symmetric. Then it is called as skew symmetric matrix. Now, what is the condition for symmetric matrix? Let us see now. Now, if I have a square matrix, this matrix, if I add with its transpose, if I have a square matrix and that matrix, if I am adding with its transpose, then always I will get a symmetric matrix. And the next is, if I have a square matrix, this matrix, if I am subtracting with its transpose, then always I will get a skew symmetric matrix. Then I will get always a skew symmetric matrix. Now students, these are the conditions for symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now here, to express a square matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, we should write the condition like this. For symmetric, we will take A plus A transpose divided by 2. This 2 is very, very important. We must divide only by 2. Then next, this is for symmetric. If I add this with A minus A transpose by 2, then I will get again a square matrix. This is what we are doing in today's video. So how is it possible? Let us check this. So student, here I can easily split this, or I can take LCM. Here the LCM is 2. So numerator part will be A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose whole divided by 2. Now here minus A transpose plus A transpose gets cancelled. Now what is left out? The left out part is A plus A is 2A divided by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. So its answer is A. Now student, A is a square matrix. So according to this condition, any square matrix, either it can be ordered 2 cross 2 or it can be ordered 3 cross 3. That is, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That's why I said in the denominator it must be 2. If it is other number, it is not possible. And here one more thing. if we not divide by 2 also, we will get symmetric only. If we not divide by 2 here, then also we will get skew symmetric. But the purpose of dividing by 2 here is to get a square matrix again. This is very, very important topic. In second PUC, one question definitely they will ask from this topic. That is, they will ask a question, express a square matrix, then they will give a square matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That time we should find A plus A transpose divided by 2 first, then A minus A transpose divided by 2. After that, if you add those two matrices, we will get a square matrix again. So student, this is the concept of sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now let us go to the first problem is express the matrix A equals 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Student, like this they will ask the question for 3 marks. So let us see how can we make this matrix as sum of its symmetric and skew symmetric part. So solution. It has given the name of the matrix as A matrix. So we'll take A equals 2, 4, 5, 6. A matrix. Then student, its transpose. A transpose is equals to what is A transpose here? Transpose, again in the definition of matrix I already explained. Transpose means we will interchange the rows and column. First row becomes first column and second row becomes second column. So first row is 2, 4, then it becomes first column. The next row is 5, 6. So that becomes our second column. This is our A transpose. After this, we should first add these two matrices. So what do we get? A plus A transpose. So what is A plus A transpose? A plus A transpose is 2 plus 2. In addition of matrix, we will go with element to element. Corresponding element to element will add. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5, it's 9. 5 plus 4, it's 9. 6 plus 6, it's 12. So student, this is A plus A transpose. As I said, this is a symmetric matrix. We can easily check whether we got really a symmetric matrix or not. Just check. This is the principal diagonal element, and above and below the elements are equal. Above the diagonal elements I have 9, below the diagonal elements it is again 9. So this matrix is called as symmetric matrix. But still I must divide this matrix by 2. So if I divide this matrix by 2, the answer is 4 by 2 is 2, 9 by 2 as it is, or if you want you can write it in decimal also, no issues. Again 9 by 2, 12 by 2 is 6. So student, this is our symmetric matrix. So I will call it as equation 1. Next, same matrix A and A transpose. Now I will subtract. So what do I get? A minus A transpose, and this is equals to 2 minus 2, it's 0. 4 minus 5, first is 4, then comes 5, so 4 minus 5, it's minus 1. 5 minus 4, it's plus 1. The next last is 6 minus 6, it's 0. Now student, here it is again a skew symmetric matrix here itself, because the principal diagonal elements are 0 and the upper diagonal element and lower diagonal elements are opposite in sign. Same numbers are there but opposite in sign. So this is skew symmetric matrix, but still I must divide this matrix by 2. So what happened here? A minus A transpose by 2. The answer is 0 by 2. It's 0 minus 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. So student, this I will call it as equation 2. This is our skew symmetric matrix. Now, according to the question, this matrix can be written sum of this and this. Let us check this. Now add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. What do I get? That is A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. That is equals to 2 9 by 2, 9 by 2, it is 6 plus 0 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0, and at the end 2 plus 0, it's 2. 9 by 2 plus into minus, minus here, so 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2, it is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is called as 4. The next is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 10 by 2, it is simply called as 5, and next is 6 plus 0, it is 6. Student, this is our A matrix. So student, like this we should do. If they ask the question as express the square matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix for 3 marks. Very simple topic. Just we should add and subtract 2 matrices. At the end we should find addition and subtraction of 2 matrices, that is A and A transpose. At the end we should add those 2 matrices. I hope you will understood this problem. Now let us go to the next problem. The next problem is express the matrix 2 minus 4 3 0 5 1 4 6 7. Any square matrix it is, there is no condition for this. This is a matrix given. We should express this matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Here it is 3 cross 3 matrix, but condition and steps remains same. But here student has not given any name to this matrix, so let us give a name as A matrix. So let A is my matrix let this matrix is A, and that is 2 minus 4 3 0 5 1 4 6 7. This is my A matrix. Okay. After this, let me find its transpose first. Before I go to anything, I should first find its transpose. That is, A transpose is equals to, A transpose is first row becomes first column, 2 minus 4 3 0 5 1 4 6 7. So this is a transpose. The next is, first I should add these two matrices, A plus A transpose. What do I get? 2 plus 2, it is 4, minus 4 plus 0, it's minus 4, then 3 plus 4, it's 7, 0 plus of minus 4. So it's minus 4, 5 plus 5, it's 10, 1 plus 6, it's again 7, then 4 plus 3, it's 7, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, it's 14. This is 14. This is A plus A transpose. Now student, after this, I should divide this matrix by 2. So it is A plus A transpose by 2. So what do I get? Each and every element should be divided by 2 now. 4 by 2, it's 2, minus 4 divided by 2 here. So it is minus 2, 7 by 2, as it is, no changes. Or if you want, you can write 3.5, no issues. Okay, here I will write 3.5. Then next, minus 4 by 2, it's minus 2, 10 by 2, it's 5, 7 by 2, it's 3.5, 7 by 2, it's 3.5. The purpose I am writing in decimal is, it's easy to add. If it is in fraction, then we should take LCM, all these things. Sometimes some students find difficult. If it is direct decimals, we can easily add. Otherwise, if you want, you can keep it in fractions also. Next is 7 by 2 is 3.5, 14 by 2, it's 7. Student, this is A plus A transpose by 2. Let us check, is this our symmetric matrix? This is the principal diagonal element. Upper diagonal elements, yes, upper diagonal and lower diagonal elements are equal. So it is a symmetric matrix. This I will call it as equation 1. Next, I should subtract these two matrices, A and A transpose. I should subtract. So A minus A transpose. Now A minus A transpose is 2 minus 2 here. It is 2 minus 2. It's 0. Minus 4 minus 0. It's minus 4. 3 minus 4. It's minus 1. 0 minus into minus plus 4. 5 minus 5. It's 0. 1 minus 6. It's minus 5. Oh, 4 minus 3. It's 1. 6 minus 1. It's 5. 7 minus 7. It's 0. Now student, this I should divide by 2. Okay student, here I got A minus A transpose. Now this matrix I must divide by 2. So that is A minus A transpose by 2. Now 0 divided by 2, it's 0. Minus 4 divided by 2, it's minus 2. Minus 1 divided by 2. 1 by 2 is half, that is 0.5. So minus 1 by 2 is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. 4 by 2, it's 2. 0 by 2, it's 0. Minus 5 by 2, it's minus 2.5. Next 1 by 2, it's just 0.5. 5 by 2, it's 2.5. 0 by 2 is 0. Now student, this is our A minus A transpose by 2. Let us check, is this a skew symmetric matrix? If this is my principal diagonal element, the principal diagonal elements are 0. Okay, first condition of skew symmetric matrix satisfied. Next, upper and lower diagonal elements are same. Yes, same. And it has opposite sign. Yes, it has opposite sign. So this can be declared as skew symmetric matrix. So student, this is my equation 2. Now let me add equation 1 and 2 now. Add equation 1 and 2. Because this is equation 1 is symmetric and equation 2 is skew symmetric. So if I am adding A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2, that is equals to 0 plus 2, sorry, 2 plus 0, it's 2, minus 2, minus 2, it's minus 4, 3.5 minus 0.5, it's 0.5 should be reduced from this, so it's 3. Then next, minus 2 plus 2, it's 0, 5 plus 0, it's 5, 3.5 minus 2.5. So minus 2.5 I should reduce from this. So how much I will get? It is plus 1. 3.5 plus 0.5. 0.5 I should add to this. So 0.5 if I add, I will get 4 here. 3.5 plus 2.5. 2.5 I am adding to this 3.5. So I will get 6. Now 7 plus 0, this is 7. Student, this is our A matrix. So the conclusion is, every square matrix, either it is 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3, can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So the next problem is, the matrix 5, 6, minus 8, minus 7, 0, 3, 2, 4, minus 4. So this is another 3 cross 3 matrix. This matrix also be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we express this matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So he has not given any name to this matrix. So let us give the name as A matrix to this. This is our A matrix. Solution. Let my A matrix will be so A matrix is 5 6 minus 8 minus 7 0 3 2 4 minus 4. Then student, I should find its transpose. A matrix is the given matrix always. Now its transpose will be A transpose is equals to 5 6 minus 8 in first column, second column minus 7 0 3, last column 2 4 minus 4. This is my A transpose. Now I must add these two matrices. So what is its addition? A plus A transpose, that is equals to 5 plus 5, it's 10, 6 minus 7, it is 6 minus 7, it's minus 1, minus 8 plus 2, it's minus 6, minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1, 0 plus 0, it's 0, 3 plus 4, it's 7, 2 minus 8, 2 minus 8 is minus 6, 4 plus 3, it's 7, minus 4, minus 4. So both are negative quantity, so it is minus 8. So student, this is our A plus A transpose. The next is divided by 2. We should divide this matrix by 2. So what do I get? A plus A transpose by 2. What is A plus A transpose by 2 here? So this each and every element I must divide by 2. So 10 by 2 I'll get 5. So it is minus 0.5 minus 3 minus 0.5, it's 0, it's 3.5, it's minus 3, it's 3.5, it's minus 4. Student, if I divide this matrix by 2, then I will get this matrix. And this matrix I should check whether I am getting a symmetric or not. So student, if this is my principal diagonal element, is my upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements are equal? Yes, minus 0.5, minus 0.5, minus 3, minus 3, 3.5. Yes, it's 100% equal. So I can declare that this is my symmetric matrix. So I will call it as equation 1. Next, these two matrices, that is A and A transpose, I should subtract. So what do I get? A minus A transpose. So here, so student, if I am subtracting these two matrices, let me check what I will get. 5 minus 5, it's 0. 6 minus of minus 7. So this 7 minus 7 is having one negative sign. Already it has one negative sign. So it gets two negative signs. So it becomes plus. So finally 6 plus 7, it's 13 minus 8. minus 2, it's minus 10. Minus 7 minus 6, it's minus 13. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 4, it's minus 1. 2 minus into minus plus 8, it's 10. 4 minus 3, it's 1. Minus 4, minus of minus plus 4, so it is 0. So student, this is A minus A transpose. This we got after subtracting this and this matrix. Now this matrix I must divide by 2. So let me check what is my answer. This is equals to 0 by 2, it's 0. 13 divided by 2, it's 6.5. It's 6.5. Minus 10 by 2, it's minus 5. Minus 13 by 2, it's minus 6.5. 0 by 2, it's 0. Minus 1 by 2, it's minus 0.5. Next, 10 by 2 is 5. 1 by 2, it's just 0.5. 0 by 2 is 0. Now student, I got A minus A transpose by 2. Now this matrix I should check whether I am getting skew symmetric or not. If this is my principal diagonal element, yes, all the 3 elements are 0 here. First condition satisfied. Then next, upper and lower diagonal elements are same but opposite in sign. Yes, so this is my skew symmetric matrix. So this I can call it as equation 2. Now again I should add these two matrices. Add equation 1 and 2. So what do I get? A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. That should be equals to, first A plus A transpose, 5 minus 0.5 minus 3 minus 0.5 0 3.5 minus 3 3.5 minus 4 plus 0 6.5 minus 5 minus 6.5 0 minus 0.5 5 0.5 0. Now student, what do I get if I add these two matrices? Let me check here. 5 plus 0, it's 5. The next, minus 0.5 plus 6.5, it is 6. Minus 3 minus 5, it's minus 8. Minus 0.5 minus 6.5, it's minus 7. 0 3.5 minus 0.5 minus 0.5 I should remove 0.5 I should remove from this, so we'll get it is 3 minus 3 plus 5, it's 2. 3.5 I should add 0.5 with this, so we'll get 4 here. Minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4. Student, now we should check, is this the given matrix? Yes, this is our matrix here. So this is the answer. So student, I hope you people understood this problem as well as the concepts of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix with addition. So any square matrix can be easily expressed as sum of its symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is very important topic. One question definitely they will ask. I hope you will understood this. And student, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and to helpful to the other students, the needy students, keep share our videos so others can be benefited with this. Thank you.